The third one is detach from the outcome. Now, that doesn't mean that you become Zen-like and start doing yoga in the conference room. It just means that we should not define ourselves by the outcome of one deal. This one deal is not going to define me as a salesperson. This one deal is not going to define me as an individual or my success as an individual. Detach from the outcome and just be attached to the process and focus on the next step in the negotiation process than only on the outcome. Because when you're too involved or attached to the outcome, what happens? Then you become fearful, you become anxious, and you're bringing all negative energy into this conversation, and they can sense that. And if they sense that you're anxious or fearful, they will try to take advantage of the situation. If they sense that you're aggressive, they will push back. Whichever way, you are setting them up in a zone of resistance. You're actually supposed to set them up in a zone of confidence, being confident enough in your ability to collaborate, to move forward